Are you looking for one of the best ways to study for your FNP board exam? Let me give it to you straight. You need to practice, but not just with any test. You need to train your brain, mentally, physically, and emotionally. You need to practice the length of the test. You need questions that actually feel like the real thing, and you need to be able to sit in that testing mindset without losing focus. Because this exam isn't just a test of knowledge, it's a test of endurance, strategy, confidence. So what do you need? You need real simulation. You need questions that mirror the exam. You need the emotional angst under control before test day. And when you finish the test, you don't just want the answers. You want the rationales, why it's right, why each one is wrong, how you should have thought through it. Because one good question turns into 10 learning opportunities when it's done right. And then, we teach you how to analyze that question. What words should have jumped out? What concepts should have lit up in your mind? We give you test tips, mnemonics, and even clinical pearls, all embedded into every single question. This isn't just review. This is real training for the real exam. If you're serious about passing, this is where you start. Let's practice like your license depends on it, because it does.